my name is Ivana Reisha, and I'm here. I want to explain my presentation about uh, code mixing and code switching. The first one, I want to explain about code mixing. Okay, the definition of code mixing. Code mixing is the phenomenon of mixing two or more languages or language varieties within a single utterance by a speaker. This usually occurs when someone inserts word or phrases from another language into the main language being used. The definition about code mixing is when the conversant mixes two or more languages in a speech or in a discourse without any requirement. The relax of the speakers or his or her habit get involved in the situation. Savitri Harida Hamka 2017. And next, types of code mixing. The types of code mixing is innate code mixing different varieties within the same language, like mixing a local dialect with the national language. And number two, outer code mixing the national language with a foreign language. Next, the characteristic of code mixing. The characteristic of code mixing is mixing of languages. Two or more languages are used within one sentence or conversation. Number two, stays on the same topic. The topic doesn't change even though the language does. And three, inserting words, phrases, or clauses. Words, short phrases, or full clauses from another language are added. And next, the example of code mixing. I'm feeling really hectic this week. Hectic. This is an example of outer code mixing. Is word insertion. And number two, he's so humble, not arrogant at all. Humble. This is an example of outer code mixing. This is word insertion. And last, I told him, don't be late again. Don't be late again. This is an example of outer code mixing. This is a clause insertion. And next, the conclusion. The conclusion. The conclusion is the study's first conclusion addresses the types of code mixing that are employed in Indonesia commercial advertisements. The elements of code mixing in commercial advertisements are covered in the second conclusion. The result of the investigation indicate that the following types of code mixing were employed in commercial advertisements: words, phrase, hybrid, repetition, idiom, and plus clause forms. Okay, the last this reference.
A few moments later.
Okay, part 2, I want to explain about code switching. Okay, the introduction is alternately studies of language acquisition, second language acquisition, and language learning use the term code switching to describe either bilingual speakers or language learners, cognitive linguistic abilities, or to describe classroom or learn practice involving the use of more than one language. A.G. Romain, 1989. Next, types of code switching. The types of code switching is intrasentential switching between sentences. Number 2, intrasentential switching within a single sentence. And Last, text switching, inserting a text phrase from another language. Next, about characteristic of code switching is bilingual or multilingual competence, context sensitive, linguistically structured, occurs at different levels, and etc. And the example of code switching. Intersentential switching. Don't think I can make it. Aku lagi capek banget. Switches between sentence. And number 2, intrasentential switching. She is so late. She won't even buy coffee. Switches within a sentence. And the last, text switching. It's raining today. Can insert a text from another language. And the conclusion is code switching is a natural and systematic linguistic phenomenon in multilingual communities. It serves communicative, social, and pragmatic function, such as clarifying meaning, expressing identity, or emphasizing a message. Speakers switch codes intentionally or unconsciously, influenced by context, topic, and interlocutor, far from being a sign of linguistic deficiency. Code switching reflects linguistic competence and social awareness. And last is the reference. And thank you. I think it's enough for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.